Okay, it's 6:30 a.m. That's never a good thing. Here we go. You doing all right over there? Yeah. Yeah, you're doing all right. Hey, why are we up at 7 a.m.? This is disgusting. Like, stop this. I can't.
Okay, so this comes off of you and just lift up that chair and it goes under it. The whole thing just comes up.
Yeah, you're the captain now, huh?
I am the captain. No. I found a ball. Wow. We could literally go on the beach right now.
Yeah, too bad I don't want to.
I don't think you will. Like I said.
Dude, it's literally so deep over here. I'll go on the beach right now.
My dog.
I don't want to talk about that.
Oh, it didn't even catch. It just like.
You checked in there too.
Yeah, you watched me. There's nothing else in there.
What the fuck?
What is going on? Okay, so, interview on the back of the golf cart. Tell me what's going on in your life.
We're going jet skiing. We're at some gnarly waves. It's like 10 degrees out, but it's alright.
Yeah. He's pretty much right, yeah. Boo.
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
I'm filming. I'm filming. Hey.
Yeah. What you doing? What you doing?
We need to charge it. Yes. So, I don't know how to drive. My goodness. Okay, my camera's gonna die, and I don't have my charger, and I'm not going to till Monday, so I'm gonna vlog on my phone for the rest of the weekend, just like a year ago. So, goodbye for now. RIP. Okay, we're on our way to Deadpool 2. Deadpool 1 is one of my favorite movies of all time, and I'm gonna give Deadpool 2 a comprehensive review when we get back, so just wait on that. I look like shit. What the hell's going on? Ugh. Schmitty Werber Jingerman Jensen. Oh, bro, he's straight. He saved it.
I hope this kid has 0 kills and he's the only kill. Like you.
I'd probably start crying.
You're suicide and he ends with 0 kills.
You have 8 kills right now.
Yeah, try to break down the tire, you fucking dumbass. What? What?
Oh, if that
I had a feeling you were gonna do
again,
that.
dude.
Get one of those apples.
Oh my god, he is a shotgun too.
I clicked the wrong button. Oh, you bitch.
8
Oh, you
kills.
bitch.
Oh.
8 kills, bro.
Wow. So again, I'm apologizing because I did not bring my camera charger on this vacation with me, so I have to use my phone to vlog from now on. But it's only like another day and a half, so this vlog is over for now. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, share the love, and good night.